Hey people, and welcome back to this week's video. In this video, I'll be going through US dollar and what I see in the current market, and hopefully you get something out of it. So let's go. Let's start with a weekly time frame. Here we see that last 2 weeks have been quite bullish, but we've had this strong bearish momentum to the downside. Um, this isn't something significant to me. I just need to know what is currently happening on the daily time frame so I can see what am I going to be trading. Um, Here we can see that the market has been in a downtrend. Price action is still below the red MAs. Price action hasn't broken above the MA or below it, so it's just in the middle. So what I would do is create these lovely barriers here. What I also can see here is that it is rejecting against this area, this previous support area. Um, Also, I could see that there's a Fibonacci I can place here just to see where I can see this going next. So it is responding against the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So yes, if this is quite bearish and it continues to the downside, I can see this coming further down to 12516. This is the daily time frame, so I'm not sticking to this 100%. I want to see for certain what's going on the lower time frame. On the lower time frame, you can see here. Let me just clear it out. Uh, yeah. So, price action is actually in between the moving average currently. Um, let's see what we can spot here. Some areas of support and resistance. So here are some key levels. As you can see, it is better to trade it from the very top where, as you can see, where it rejected previously. It has rejected today off here, but we could see this creating lower lows and lower highs, as this is a lower low in comparison to that. So that is something to keep an eye out for. MAs have actually crossed over on the lower time frame. Yeah. Um, but you do also have this strong bullish candlestick, so this is something to keep an eye out for. In fact, on the 2 hour you can actually place Fibonacci on this to see where it will go next. So yeah, that is something to keep an eye out for. Same with US dollar, USD CAD, sorry. It is responding a similar way. Let's go from the weekly time frame as well. So last week closed as a shooting star. Price action is in between MAs. Yeah, strong bearish momentum, but yeah. So chart is showing uptrend if you look from 2022, but currently from the end of 22, it's been showing some strong bearish momentum. Even if you go down on the daily time frame, you can see that as well. It's creating lower lows and lower highs. Some great areas of support and resistance. So this is something I'll keep my eyes on for. As you can see, Fibonacci, apply it there. It's rejected of 78.6. Just lovely to see. This looks a bit choppy, but like a like you can see, it's just responding to this price level. And yeah, just showing clear rejection, just showing that the market is rejecting this area to go to the downside. So this is something I will keep my eyes out for and see how far it can go down to. USD CAD looks quite choppy here, but so far you can see this going further down. You can apply another fib here on the lower time frame to see if it's suitable. So this is something I would have liked to get into because it's rejecting the previous support level. and now it's rejected as resistance level, and it showing some bearish momentum. Price action is below MAs, so I do see this going further down to 1.3200. Yeah, 32 to 20. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed that, and look out for the next video. Please leave a like, subscribe down below, and have a lovely trading week. Thank you.